So there's also a way to add students as a large group. This way, the students would then set up their own profile. All you're doing is providing a link to the system for them. This link is called a course code. And the way to send these course codes is through your admin tab. So on the top of your screen again, you'll have your training, profile, users, reporting, admin tabs, and you want to select the admin tab. So from here, you'll see course codes, and that's exactly where you want to go. You will then select your class, and in order to know what course you're wanting to send them, the content. So this page, after you've hit your admin tab and went to course codes, you will see the location. So you'll select your classroom, and there's a drop-down menu that will need to appear, and you can do this by just typing in a number. Then you'll see the courses that are available to you. So for this example, I want to send the newest 3000 course to this location, and say there's going to be 30 kids in my new class. So I'm just going to type a note. Again, all 5 of these fields will need to have something in them. That's why there's an asterisk on all 5. There is required information for all 5 fields. So 3000 first 30 students is what I'm going to call it. And then we will select submit. This is what will pop up, and a new course code has been created. This is the message that you want to send your students. So in order to send them, all you need is their email addresses. You don't need to collect all the information from them. You just want email addresses. So you'll select email. From here, you can put your student's email. Again, if you want to send to multiple people, separate each email address with a comma. So you can type in, you can copy and paste from another spreadsheet, for instance, or if you have your students' emails in another format, we can always put them in now. So this is the email they'll be receiving. It'll give them the link, so they're going to click on the link, and then when that link shows them to enter the code, that's the code that they'll be entering. Number 3, if you already have an account, enter your username and password, then click login. If you do not have an account, click create account. So this is where the students are creating their own account. You don't have to put in their first name, their last name, their emails. All you're doing is sending them the course code for the course that you want to be completed. So once emails are put in, you can also CC yourself. And again, you'll have all your student email addresses. Of course, that's not a correct email address, but you get the point. And then you'll press send. And that's how you would add a large group, so you're not entering every student individually.